درود دوستان عزیز، امیدوارم حالتون خوب، عالی و بهتر باشه. بار دیگر در خدمت شما هستیم با یه فیلم جذاب جدید دیگه. یه فیلم آوردم براتون، سم از مستر بیست که همتون میشناسینش، اما به یک شکل و سبک دیگه ای. ما این سبکی کار میکنیم، بریم که داشته باشیم. من که خودم شخصا اول فیلم رو کردم خیلی حال کردم. بریم داشته باشیم.
Today, I'm going to be curing someone with total blindness. We will be using a new artificial lens that will give this person sight for the first time. I'm very excited. Remove the swabs.
برند خود مستر بیست هم هستی تو چشماش.
My eyes are a bit sore. We can check back on him later. We still have a lot of filming to do. Go! Come here! Take the surgeon and get B-roll in the rooms down the hall. I need to film the intro. Okay, Jimmy.
Okay, we just needed to sign a couple of release forms to be in the video. All pretty standard stuff. Is everything okay?
Yes, I'm sorry. This whole experience has been very emotional for me. Please sign here!
Are you sure everything's okay?
Hi, sweetheart. How are you feeling? This has all been such a blessing. And your eyes being healed. The producer said that Mr. Beast might even give us a cash gift. He's so generous with his wealth. Truly an angel to our lives. Don't you agree? He's a blessing. Don't you agree, sweetheart? Isn't he a beautiful soul? Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Honey, what's wrong? Get out! Just leave me alone! Leave me alone! Here, have $10,000. Is he up? Is he able to see? Okay, get the cameras ready. I think there's something wrong. He doesn't seem like himself. Hey! Open the door! He locked the door. God damn it. Sweetheart, are you okay? Subscribe to Mr. Beast! Subscribe! Subscribe to Mr. Beast! Whoa! We have to film him! He's an angel, sweetheart. He will give us more than we could ever need. Oh, Jimmy, look, I'm getting a shot for you. Look at this! Subscribe to Mr. Beast! Yes! I want you to have $50,000. Take it! Also a Tesla. Don't forget about the Tesla. I know how much you need a car for life. Oh, this is premium content. Yes. Oh, see the truth. See the beauty I have given you. Here, get a shot of his eyes. Oh my God. I don't want this gift. I don't want to see. I don't want to subscribe. Please don't make me. Here, take the picture for the thumbnail. Please don't give me any more. Please. Did you get it? I don't want this.
I don't know. It looks kind of weird, man. I don't know.
It's fine. We'll just upscale it with AI or something. We'll be fine. Let's go.
بچه اگه داستان مستر بیست رو نمیدونید یه توضیح خیلی کوچیک بدم براتون. مستر بیست یه سری چالش های مختلف میذاره، یه سری مسابقه های مختلف میذاره و به شرکت کننده های خودش که همون سابسکرایب های خودشن جایزه میده یا پول میده، بیشتر پول میده. توی اینجا داشت یک طعنه‌ای میزد، یه چیز جالب درست کرده بودن که آقا این طرف چشم خریده بود، یه جفت چشم برای این خریده بود و اومدن روش عمل زیبایی انجام داده بودن که این طرف دوباره بینایی خودشو به دست بیاره. والا آر به خودشو مثلا گذاشته رو چشمش، بعد مشکل داشته بود. برای همون داشت کلا توهم میذاره که فقط باید منو سابسکرایب کنی و از این گفت آقا من تسلا میخوام بهت بدم و اینا، چون یک سره به کسایی که شرکت میکنن یا ماشین تسلا جایزه میده یا که پول جایزه میده. اگه ندیدین ویدیوهاشو حتما برید ببینید، خیلی باحاله. الان که دیگه ویدیوهاش داره دوبله میشه و در دسترس قرار گرفته، خیلی باحاله. من اما انیمیشنش خیلی جالب بود برای من. امیدوارم که حال کرده باشین. فعلا